circle filled with light. Someone lifts a hand upright, palm extended, calm and sure, sharing something strong and pure. Lines that trace a deeper tale, hints of strength that will not fail. Thumb held high with quiet grace, showing will in open space. This is where true power lives, in the strength that gently gives, reaching out with honest tone, blending steel with warmth once shown. Every gesture, soft or bold, speaks of stories yet untold, guided by a steady core. Open hearts can offer more. Strength is not a rigid wall, but the courage when we call. Not the force that stands alone, but the trust our hands have shown. Flexibility and guided might turn the dark to clearer sight. What we show in simple form shapes connection bright and warm. This is where true power lives, in the strength that gently gives, reaching out with honest tone, blending steel with warmth once shown. Every gesture, soft or bold, speaks of stories yet untold, guided by a steady core. Open hearts can offer steady hand reveals the strength that kindness holds.